So one thing to be aware of when you're parsing data is you have to be a bit defensive. So this will work, and it's going to work because I actually have this data that I stringified and I parse. But let's just say that you make a mistake and you end up putting in some string here. And I'm going to make this change and I'm going to refresh this page. And if I go over to my console, I'll see that there's an error because it's saying, hey, look, I expected this to be JSON data to parse it, and I ended up seeing this H from Hello World, which is not going to be valid. So one thing that is not all that uncommon is to be defensive about doing this. And if you are attempting to parse something, and again, it's something that's stored, and maybe, you saved it before, and you saved it by accident, or it's the wrong format, or something along these lines, then one of the things that you might want to do is you don't want things to end up blowing up. You don't want to get this error. So you could end up catching this exception. So whatever is here, you're attempting to parse this data, then maybe you could do something along the lines of, hey, look, I expect to get this, object foo, and I'm going to attempt to get it. But just in case I'm not able to parse it, I still maybe want to be able to move on, and I'll just work with this empty object. So that would end up solving this problem where you still would have a value. So whenever you are parsing, this is something that you have to be aware of.